Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and in today's video I'll be doing this look right here, the Summer Glam Dewy Makeup. In this video I have shown you many tips and tricks to set your makeup and prevent it from melting in this summer. So I hope you guys would like it. If you wanna know how I get this look, please continue watching. As this is a summer makeup, skin prep is most. So first of all, I'm using Photostable sunscreen. For my eye cream, I'm using this Honest Choice Natural Multi-Effect Under Eye Gel, dabbing it under my eyes. This is really a nice eye cream. It instantly gives a cooling and calming effect to your eyes. And for my lip balm, I'm using the Friskies lip balm. Actually, this lip balm is specially for summers because this instantly gives a cooling effect to your lips. I think there's some mint in this. Let me see. Yeah, there's peppermint, almond oil and vitamin E. First of all, for makeup, I am using this primer by Lakme. This is Blur Perfect Primer. I'm not going to use any foundation whatsoever. So for my face, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm just going to use it under my eyes and where I need to conceal my spots and blend it out. And as this is a summer makeup, we have to make sure that our makeup doesn't melt and it lasts long. So for that, I am taking this MAC Fix Plus and spraying it on all over my face so that it doesn't bulge throughout the day. For my cream blush, I am taking this Lakme 925 Mousse Lip and Cheek in the shade Fuscia. And just applying 3 to 4 dots and blending it out. The reason I'm using cream blush because blush is the first product that wears off from our face when it comes to wearing of makeup. So to make my blush last long, I am using the cream blush technique so that it stays on the powder setting. I am using Lakme 925 in the shade Silky Golden. For my powder brush, to top it off and make it even last longer, I am taking Maybelline the Colorshow blush in the shade Peachy Sweetie. With this palette, I am just slightly going to contour my face, not even going for a heavy contour. Slightly dusting on my nose because I don't have that much bigger nose to contour. For my highlight, I am taking this shiny shade from this same palette. One more time, I am fixing my face with the Fix Plus. For my eye makeup, I am taking 2 liquid lipstick and mix them. And this way, the eye makeup won't wear off because of your sweat or any summery reason. To set my brows, I am taking NYX Brow Mascara in the shade Brunette. As you all know, I'm not a eyeliner girl, so I'm not doing any eyeliner, but if you want, take a waterproof eyeliner and do it. I'm just taking Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara and coat my eyelashes with it. Also, I am not a kajal or a liner person. I don't want any eyeliner or kajal. And if you like to do any kajal but it melts during the summer, what you can do is just pack it with a black eyeshadow and you're good to go. So now for my lipstick, I am taking Maybelline Colorshow. No. Yeah, sorry. Maybelline Creamy Mattes in the shade Chilli Nude. Actually, I'm a coral lover, so mostly in summers I love to do coral colors. Let me show you how it looks. I'm just lightly applying and then and for the last time I'm taking this again. So basically my idea of a summer makeup is no foundation, lots of fixing spray and powders, and just no eyeliner or nothing extra dramatic lipstick, just simple, subtle. And the last tip, if you want to mattify or make your lipstick last longer, then what you can do is just take any powder and dip your brush, this kind of brush, in it and apply. This lipstick will last you longer time than the normal one, and this is not transferring. So that is the extra tip for you guys. I hope you liked it. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please give a thumbs up to this video, and also subscribe to my channel for such other kind of videos, and click on the bell icon so that you get notification every time I post a new video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Mwah.